Let's talk about Muddyfox Boys Recoil 20 mountain bike. Steel dual suspension mountain bike frame, steel suspension front forks, steel MTB handlebars, steel handlebar stem, 6 Speed Shimano Tourney gears with Revoshift Shifters. Very disappointed when I got the box. There was no apparent damage externally, but when I started to assemble the bike I found the back gears bent into the spokes, making the wheel impossible to move freely. The support bar for the derailleur was bent. It also cost me $19.60 to return. Could not contact the seller for advice. Would have been 5 stars but was missing bolt for seat stem, easy sorted. Excellent bit of kit. My grandson absolutely loves it. Well made, nice looking and good to ride. Well recommended for a child's first geared bike.